Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a surprise unboxing. I wasn't expecting to be buying anything right about now, but here we are nonetheless. Right, so let's just get into it. First I want to say that I bought this on eBay. It is a vintage piece. It is, or it should be, a birth year bag. I am going to be turning 30 this year, and yeah, I mean, I already have one birth year bag, but you know, I kind of just jumped at the chance to find this one. And P.S. Winner for most imaginative handbag packaging right here. Although this looks like we're reusing an Amazon box, which I appreciate. I like reusing boxes. When I ship out bags, I like to ship things out in, you know, packaging that has been reused. But anyways, just, you know, it's pretty funny. You don't see this as a handbag box every day. So this is a vintage bag. I know I have been promising you guys a vintage guide on how to find a birth year bag, and I promise you I am putting the finishing touches on that video. I do have several tips that I will outline. I really wanted to unbox this first. So yes, I promise that video is coming shortly, and yeah, you'll see it very soon. Let's see. Okay, so opened up our box. This is from an eBay seller. It sells a lot of like vintage like knickknacks, so we're gonna see how this looks. Okay. All right. So this is our bag. Oops. Here we go. Okay, so we have a Fendi Zuka monogram tote. Cute. Okay. Yeah, it has some vintage smell to it. It is sticky on the interior a little bit. There's definitely some peeling. I'll show you in a second. Because I'm thinking, like, is this something that I had on my wish list? Absolutely not. Like, it's something I could get a lot of use out of. But the reason that I jumped on this bag and made sure that I was the one who got it was that, wait, where is it? Here it is. Okay. So this is a vintage piece, and what came with it, which is the reason why I knew that it had to be mine, was this tag. Yeah. Okay, so it's double-sided. Okay, so this is a SKU tag from Neiman Marcus. Hope you can see that. Okay, Neiman Marcus, right? I just bent it. Wow, good job, Catherine. You can see that it retailed for $250, which is cool. Yeah, and on the back of it, we have the employee number, the store number, and the date. The date, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully I'll include more detailed photos here. It's 1990. So this tag, which I assume for this bag will be turning 30. Or actually, no, hold on. This bag is technically older than me, so this bag has already turned 30, and I will be turning 30 in a couple of months. So that's it. That's it. This is just another birth year bag because apparently I needed a second one. I didn't. So if you're confused about what the whole birth year bag hullabaloo is, then enter Louis Vuitton St. Cloud. The Louis Vuitton has pretty easy date stamps to read. This one is both the month and year that I was born, and that's why it is so, so special to me. And now I have another bag, another vintage bag, to add to my beautiful collection of vintage. So I'm gonna take this tag and put it inside of like maybe an envelope or something to protect it, but I just think that's so incredibly cool that someone like kept this all together. This is what the inside looks like. Like there is definitely some like peeling. This bag is gonna need some love, and that's fine. I got it for a really like reasonable price. It's not too wide. It's gonna be perfect like work laptop bag for me. You guys know I've wanted something in Zuka for a very, very long time. So I got super lucky with this one, and I'm gonna leave you guys a link to the actual listing where this came from. I'll leave that linked down below in the description box, so go check that out, just so you can see like the photos that I looked at and you know, pictures of like the tag and everything if you can find them. I really like this. I think I'll be able to get a lot of use out of this. This isn't something that I ever was like, you know, considering or thinking about, but I think it's cool. I think it's something that I will use. So this is awesome. I'm probably gonna, knowing me, I'm gonna need a bag organizer, but TBD on that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, you know me and my never-ending quest for structure. I had to try this out. I took the bag organizer that I have from Original Club that I use for my Givenchy shopper tote. I'm sure you guys know the one. But yeah, this is for the size of the Neverfull GM, and what I decided to do was play around with it a little bit, and I just I wanted to see if I could fit it into here. What I did, and this is just, you know, a temporary fix for now so I can use the bag like tomorrow. I just folded in the sides like this. Thing's probably a little dirty. I apologize about that, but has two, like, I guess, water bottle holders on either end. So I'm just gonna fold it in like that because this bag is much more narrow. To put this in here, and you know, that kind of works. This lining definitely is peeling, so I don't know that I would be comfortable using it without some sort of like protective layer for the time being. So I think that I'm just gonna carry it like this, and I'm gonna carry it tomorrow. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, use my leather cleaner, and yeah, this is gonna be my bag of the day tomorrow. So let's see, the laptop goes in here just like that, and I have all my structure and everything like that. Another thing I want to note about this bag, not that it's widely available or anything like that, in case you do come across one, it has a magnetic closure. So there we go. As I said, birth year bag guide to come. I'm gonna have a couple of tips on how to find one. Obviously, one of them is gonna be get really lucky and find one with the original retail tags. I'm gonna have tips on how to score a birth year bag very, very soon. I know I've been promising you guys that forever, but that's gonna be coming out very shortly. And right, hope you guys enjoyed this little quick surprise vintage unboxing, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!